Hello students, so welcome to CR Digital Classes, the classes which gives you immense knowledge on your subject so that you can face the examination confidently and expect good marks in your examination. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain the topic single entry system. Already in the last two videos, I've explained the features and the advantages. Now, in section A, 4 marks question, sometimes they may ask theory and sometimes they may ask problems. Last two videos, all the theory questions I've explained. Now problems, what type of problems will be asked in this 4 marks question? Problems like finding out the closing capital or opening capital or profit to be found out, or sales or purchases. These type of problems will be asked. So in this video, I have taken up one problem. Similar type of problems will be asked in examination. This problem has been asked in the last year, that is 2024, May-June 2024 OU for 4 marks. This question was asked. So how to attempt this type of questions, I'm going to explain. So the nature of the problem is calculate the capital at the beginning of the year from the information given below. Some information is given, we are required to calculate the capital at the beginning. Capital at the end of the year, 18,200. Then capital introduced during the year, 4,700. Drawings made by the owner during the year, 2,800. And loss incurred during the year is 1,400. From this information, you have to find out what is the capital at the beginning of the year. How to find out? Two methods are there, method 1 and method 2. In the first method, in a statement form we can find out, and second method is an equation form. So how to find out in statement form? First of all, always we begin with capital at the end of the year. Now we have to begin with capital at the end of the year. So I'm writing capital at the end of the year. The capital at the end of the year is 18,200. So we will write down 18,200 in the amount column. To this, we have to add drawings. So I'm adding here drawings. Drawings made by the owner during the year. So drawings are how much? 2,800. So I'm adding 2,800. So it will become 18, 19, 20, 21,000. Right? Now, from this we deduct the further capital introduced during the year. So minus further capital introduced during the year. The further capital introduced during the year is 4,700. So we have to subtract 4,700 from 21,000. So 21,000 minus 4,700. So you will get 16,300. 16,300. Now, to this we add the loss incurred during the year plus loss during the year. The loss during the year is 1,400. So what I am doing here, 1,400, I am adding the loss incurred during the year. So it will become 17,700. This is the capital at the beginning of the year. Capital at the beginning of the year. That's all. So this is a method of finding out capital at the beginning. How? Capital at the end of the year, add drawings minus further capital introduced and add the loss incurred during the year. This is the method of finding out capital at the beginning. One more method is there, that is second method of finding out. If you are not comfortable with this method, you can go for second method, that is called equation method. Now I want to show how we can find out capital at the beginning of the year by equation form. So in equation form, first of all, we'll take profit is equal to capital at the end plus drawings minus capital introduced minus opening capital. This is the equation. Instead of writing in a tabular form, statement form, I have put the information in an equation form. So how to find out profit? Capital at the end, add drawings, minus further capital introduced, minus opening stock. We require opening capital. So opening capital is on the right hand side. Bring it to the left hand side. It is, instead of minus opening capital, here it will become plus opening capital is equal to. Now I'm keeping all the variables of right hand side as it is. I'm not changing. Keep it as it is. So capital at the end plus drawings minus capital introduced. Now earlier profit was there on the left hand side. Now I'm taking profit on the right hand side. So this positive plus profit will become negative profit. But here we have a loss. Instead of profit, we have a loss, right? Negative profit. Negative profit is called loss. So here opening capital we need to calculate, right? Is equal to capital at the end of the year. It is given capital at the end of the year 18,200 plus drawings. Drawings are given in the problem as 2,800. So plus 2,800 minus capital introduced during the year. It is given as 4,700 minus 4,700. Now minus. Here instead of profit, we have a loss. The loss can be said as negative profit. How much is the loss we have? It is given loss as 1,400. So minus 1,400. So minus into minus will become plus. So opening capital is equal to 18,200 plus 2,800 minus 4,700. Minus into minus will become plus 1,400. Now on the calculator, if you add up 18,200 plus 2,800 minus 4,000 plus 1,400, opening capital is equal to. Now just we will check how much is the capital at the beginning. 18,200 plus 2,800 minus 4,700 plus 1,400. That comes to 17,700. The exactly same answer what we got in the statement. So these two methods are there to find out the capital at the beginning. Similarly, you can calculate capital at the end. In the coming problems, I'll explain about how to calculate the capital at the end. So these type of problems will be asked in examination for 4 marks in section A. Hope you understood this lecture. All the best from SIA Publications.